In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared Google Calendar. This tool can be incredibly useful for coordinating schedules with friends, family, or colleagues, ensuring everyone is on the same page and enhancing your organizational efficiency. So let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your credentials, and you'll be whisked directly to the clean and user-friendly interface that Google Calendar is known for. If you're new to this platform, don't worry, the navigation is quite intuitive. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a section titled My Calendars, which contains a list of all the calendars you currently have access to. We're going to create a new one, so identify and click on the plus symbol next to Add Other Calendars. From the ensuing drop-down menu, select Create New Calendar. This will bring you to a new form dedicated to setting up your calendar. Here, you have a few fields to fill in. Start by giving your calendar a name. Be descriptive, as this will help you and others quickly understand what this calendar is for. Below that, you can add a description. Use this space to provide more details about the calendar's purpose, keeping in mind that this information will guide others in how they use it. You'll also set the time zone. Make sure this is correct, as it ensures that events are accurately scheduled and avoids confusion among participants. Once you've completed these fields, simply hit Create Calendar, which is located at the bottom of the screen. You'll receive a notification indicating your calendar has been created successfully. Now that you have your calendar, it's time to share it with others. Navigate back to the calendar list on the left side and find the calendar you just created. Hover over it, and you'll see 3 vertical dots appear. Click on these dots, and a menu will appear. Select Settings and Sharing. In the sharing settings, you'll find the option to share with specific people. Here, you can add the email addresses of those you want to have access to your calendar. Choose their permissions carefully. Options range from See Only Free Busy to managing changes to events. Once you've chosen the appropriate permissions, click Add People. And there you have it, a fully shared Google Calendar, synced and ready for collaboration. Remember, you can always modify the permissions and add or remove participants as necessary. With your shared calendar set up, scheduling conflicts will become a thing of the past as everyone stays in the loop effortlessly. Thank you for joining me today, and happy planning.